Hello guys, so this is our non-verbal reasoning sheet 1 that we're going to do today. So let's start with question number 1. We're going to solve these questions. So what number comes inside the circle? So this is the circle that they're referring to. So we need to find out what will come inside this circle, right? This is the circle. There are various tactics that can be employed to answer this question. तो इसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है? Let's see. So what is happening in this question is, if you look closely, that this is 4 and 2. So if I take the median of 4 and 2, that is 4 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 3. Right, I employ the same tactics in the second one also. So if I employ the same tactics, 5 plus 3 on the right hand side, that is 8, and 1 plus 1 on the left hand side. So this is equals to 10, and 10 by 2 fits into 5. So it seems to be the average of the sum of the left and the right. So we'll try again in the third row. 6 plus 1 plus 2 becomes 9. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, 7. 9 plus 7, 16 by 2 is equal to 8. Hence, I think it's proven now. So this should work. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 by 2 is equal to 6. So correct answer is 6, guys. Okay. So let's move to the next one. So question number 2. So which number replaces the question mark? So which number replaces the question mark? So इसमें क्या हो रहा है? Let's see. So what is happening in this? 7 plus 9. If you look at the first triangle, 7 plus 9, 16 minus 4 will give me 12. So let's try the same thing. The second one, 1 plus 4, 5 minus 1 will give me 4. It fits in the second one also. So third one also should be the same. 6 plus 5, 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 9 for the question mark. I hope it's okay, guys. Right, let's move to the third one. This is our question number 3. Which number completes the puzzle? So this seems to be an easy one. 5 is the prime number, 7 is also a prime, 11 prime, 13 prime, 17 prime. So the next number should be 19, which is the prime number. I think there should not be any issue with anyone in this particular question. Okay. So we'll try to solve 50 questions today. So we are at question number 3 at this point of time. Let's move to question number 4. So which number replaces the question mark? तो इसमें क्या होगा भाई? इसमें क्या लग रहा है? अगर हमको पहली बार में दिख रहा है, all the numbers are perfect squares over here. So 1 square is there, 2 square is there, 3 square is there, 9, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. So this number should be this number should be what? 4 square. 4 square is equal to 16. So the correct answer is 16. Right, guys? It's fine. So let's move to the next one, guys. This was also a simple one. Question number 5. Which number replaces the question mark? So 3, 5, 8. So 3 plus 5. I'm trying the Fibonacci series this time. So 3 plus 5 will give me 8. That's correct. 5 plus 8 will give me 13. That's correct. 8 plus 13 will not give me 22. 8 plus 13 will give me 21. Isn't it, guys? So this is not the correct logic. So there's something else. Okay. So let's think about this. So if I do the first number, that is 3 into 2 minus 1, this will give me 5. 5 into 2 minus 2 will give me 8. 8 into 2 minus 3 will give me 16, will give me 13. So this is right. So 13 into 2 minus 3 will give me how much? 23. That also fits in. last number will be 22 into 2. No, sorry. This is 4. 13 into 2, 26 minus 4, 22. Sorry. So this will be 22 into 2, 44 minus 5, which will give me how much? 39. So 39 seems to be the correct answer in this case. Okay. Okay. So let's move to the next one, guys. This is our question number 6. So which number replaces the question marks? In this, I need to look at all the possibilities so that I can reach to the question mark and can answer that. So what's the clue over here? So I look at the rows: 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18. This is 19, but this is not working out. This is not working out, guys. So I need to look at some other option. The other option can be I can add the columns. If I add the column 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4, that is 14. Similarly, 3 plus 8 is 11 plus 3 is 14. So 6 plus 5, 11 plus 3 is 14. In this case also it should be 14. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 4, 14. So the correct answer is 14. Correct, guys? Okay, these are known as number puzzles, so the non-verbal reasoning. And let's move to the next one, guys. Question number 7. Question number 7 is 9 plus 1 plus 5. If you add them, 9 plus 1 plus 5 is 15. Similarly, 9 plus 4 plus 2 is 15. 4 plus 8 plus 3 is 15. 5 plus 3 plus 7 is also 15. So 1 plus 8 plus x is equal to 15. X is equal to 6. Is this okay, guys? So the next one is question number 8. What's there in question number 8 for us? How will we solve it and how will we be able to reach to this question mark? So think about it, guys. The most common, the easy one is, let's look at the sum of the numbers. If the sum of the numbers is same in all the four squares, 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 9. 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 18 plus 4 is 22. So 22 is the sum over here. Similarly, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22 again. Let's check out this as well. 12 plus 10 is equal to 22. So now it's confirmed that in the fourth circle also the sum will be 22. 1 plus 8, 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus x should be equal to 22. X will be equal to 9. Is this okay, guys? This is the answer for question number 8. Now, the next one is question number 9. Question number 9 seems to be an easy one, guys. This seems to be a bi series. 6, 15, 13, 10, and 6 are forming one series. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 minus 1, 13. 13 minus 3, 10. 10 minus 3, 4. And if I look at this, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 3, 7, plus 4, 11, plus 5, 16. This is 16, guys. Is this okay? So the next one. Next one is this. Which number replaces the question mark? So what is happening in this particular question, guys? So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Hence 9 minus 2 should be equal to 7. So that's the answer. Slowly and steadily we'll move to the difficult ones also. I hope this is okay and all of you agree with my logic. Right. Next one, question number 11. So which number replaces the question mark? So which number over here replaces the question mark? So there are various logic possible. So one logic which is clearly visible is 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 13 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And over here 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 3 10 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now over here it's plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 13, plus 4 17 plus 4 21. Over here plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. I hope it's okay. So I'm providing you the solutions of all the questions of the sheet 1 of non-verbal reasoning, guys. So let's move to the next one. Question number 12. Which number replaces the question mark? 7 plus 3 10 by 2 5. 8 plus 6 14 by 2 7. 2 plus 10 12 by 2 6. 4 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 2. So it's nothing but the average. The bottom number is the average of the upper two numbers. Is this okay, guys? Okay, so let's move to the next one. Question number 13. So question number 13 is what? What will be the answer for question number 13? So you need to be smart enough and need to remember everything. Look over here. This is nothing but 17 square, guys. 17 square is 289. 18 square is 324 and 19 square is 361. So 36 is already there. So one needs to fit in over here. So answer for this one is 361. 1 is the correct answer for the question mark. Correct, guys. Let's move to question number 14. Try to find out the answer for this one, guys. So these ones are very difficult because there can be new number of logics that can work over here. So I'm not sure, but I think I have found the logic for this particular one, guys. 73, take it as a 2-digit number, and 19, take it as a 2-digit number. So 73 plus 19 is equal to how much? 92. 92 by 2 is equal to 46. Let's try again. 11 plus 7 is equal to 18. 18 by 2 is equal to 09. Similarly, 52 plus 32, 84. 84 by 2 is equal to 42. So the correct answer is 42. Is this okay, guys? Let's move to the next one. Which number is the odd one out in each oval? So you need to find out the odd number in both the circles. So there will be not one answer, there will be two answers. One for circle A and one for circle B. So what will be the case over here? So if you look at this, all the numbers 16, 32, 72, 88 and 48 all are multiples of number 8, multiples of 8. Over here, all of them are multiples of 7 except 86. They are multiple of 86. So the odd one out over here is 58. And the odd one out in the second figure circle B is 86. I hope it's okay, guys. So let's move to the next one. Question number 16. So this is easy. 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81. So 1 is the correct answer. Is this okay, guys? Right, let's move to the next one. So question number 17 is over here before you. So how should we go about solving this question number 17? Question number 17 is 1, 5, 13. So this seems to be a little tricky one. 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 13. 13 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 29. Correct? So this, and now this. 29 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 61. 61 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 125. 125 into 2 plus 3 should be my answer, that is 253. So 253 is the correct. Is this okay, guys? Fine. So let's move to the next one. Question number 18 says, which number replaces the question mark? Which number replaces the question mark? This seems to be an easy one, isn't it? 6 into 2. 6 into 2 minus 3 will give me 9. 9 into 2, 18 minus 3 will give me 15. 15 into 2, 30 minus 3 will give me 27. 27 into 2 minus 3 will give me 51, which is the answer to the question. So the correct answer is 51. Which number replaces the question mark in this case? So what is happening over here is most probably there must be two series. We need to find 10, 8, 6, 4. This should form one series. 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. And look at over here also 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16, plus 3, 19, plus 3, 22. The correct answer is 20. Correct answer is 2. So the next one is question number 20. We have reached to which number replaces the question mark. This is pretty easy. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 5 plus 1 should be equal to 6. Isn't it, guys? So next one is this. Which number replaces the question mark? So we need to find some logic which should happen in all three figures. And give it a try. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 minus the sum of bottom two numbers, that is 4, is equal to 9. I'm going to try this one also. So 3 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 11. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and 11 minus 6 also fits in. So this will happen in this figure also. 6 plus 9 plus 2 is 17. 17 minus 7 is equal to 10. So the question mark will be replaced by the number 10. So let's do the next one. Which number replaces the question mark? So which number replaces the question mark? Okay, let's see this one. What is happening? So aren't these the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. 23 is the next prime number. I hope I'm doing it correct this time. Correct. So let's move to the next one, guys. So now we have 3 questions at a time and we need to answer them. So what will happen in this case, guys? So what is happening in this one? This question, the first one. So if you read this as a 4-digit number, this is 2736, right? And this also is a 4-digit number, 4145. And if I add both of them, what will I get? 6 plus 5, 11, 1. 1 carry over, 3 plus 4 plus 7. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. So this is nothing but the addition of these two 4-digit numbers. So this should be the subtraction of this. So if what I will do, 4145 minus 2736, this will give me 0914. So 1409 is the fourth step. Is this okay, guys? Next one, question number 2. 5 plus 1 plus 4. Here this is 10. Similarly, 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So this should also be 10. Hence, this is equal to 3. So which number replaces this number? The question number 3. This is a good question. This is very important. If you look carefully, these numbers are nothing but the numeric representation of A, E, I, O, U, which are nothing but the vowels. So I need to find out the numeric number for U, R, S, T. T, I believe, is 20. P, Q, R, S, T, U. So U is 21. So the correct answer for this is 21. Okay, guys. So let's move to the set of next 3 questions. So the next set of 3 questions, guys, give it a try. So 8 plus 12 plus 15, 8, 12, 15, 17, 21, 24, question mark, 30, 33, 35. So what's happening in the first one? So if you look at this, so 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, 15 minus plus 2 is 17, 17, 17, sorry, 17 plus 4 once again. So look, guys, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. And if you look carefully, 17 plus 4 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 2 should be 26. So this number should be 26. 26 plus 4, 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. 33 plus 2 is 35. So the correct answer is 26 for this one. Which number replaces the question mark? So what's happening in this case, guys? Look carefully. So this is nothing but Fibonacci series. 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. 10 plus 6 is 16, 26. 16 plus 26 should be equal to 42. And what about the third one, guys? So over here, yes, guys, what is happening? So if you look carefully, what is happening? This 8 is nothing but the sum of this 3 and this 5. And this 2 is the subtraction of this 3 and this 5. I hope you're getting my point. Similarly, this 10 is sum of 1 plus 9. And 8 is the result of subtraction of 9 and 1. Similarly, 14 is the sum of 6 and 8. 8 minus 6 is 2. Similarly, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. And 5 minus 4, the result of the difference is 1. So 2 plus plus 0 is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. So 11 is nothing but the sum of 9 plus x. So x will be equal to 2. And 9 minus 2 will fit in with 7 also. So the correct answer for this one is 2. Is this okay, guys? So let's move to the next one. Question number. So these are three questions that will take our tally to 31. So guys, give it a try. So if you look carefully, the result of the sum of the first row over here is 5. The sum of the second row is 10. And the sum of the third row is 15. And sum of the fourth row will be 9 plus 6 plus 4 plus x should be equal to 20. So the answer is 1. So 1 will make it equal to 20. What about the second question, guys? The number in the squares of the top middle figure equal the sum of the numbers in the corresponding squares of the other three numbers. Isn't it? So over here, if you look at this 10, this is nothing but the sum of 3 plus 5 plus 2. Similarly, 4 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 12. So this 8 is equal to 1 plus 5 plus x, where x is equals to 2. The correct answer is 2 in this case. What about the third one? So if you look at this, 5 minus 1 is 3, 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Correct? No, 7 minus 1. Sorry. Just a minute, please. So 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So the correct answer is 13 in this case, guys. Okay. So let's move to the next one, guys. So what will happen in this case, guys? So if you add the digits of the first row, this is 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2. This makes it 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 20 is the sum of the first row. And if you look at the second row, which is 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 10, 22. The sum was 20 for the first row. Similarly for this, 24, 26, 28, and 30. The answer for this one is 30. What about the second question over here? So again, we need to find the odd one in each oval. So in the first one, all of them are prime except 15. So 15 is the odd one out. In the second one, everything is prime except 38. So 38 is the odd one in the second oval. Third one, what is happening? So 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 by 3 will give me 4. Similarly, 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 by 3 will give me 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 by 3 will give me 3. The correct answer is 3. Is this okay, guys? Okay. So let's do the next three questions. So this question seems to be a difficult one, isn't it, guys? So look carefully, guys. This one seems to be a little difficult one. Okay, so I'm going to solve it. 6 into 2 is 12 minus the sum. So 6 into 2 is 12 minus 4 plus 4 will give me 4. Hence, this 4 is the answer. Similarly, 4 plus 4, 4 into 4 is 16 minus the sum of the outer two numbers, 8 will give me 8. I hope it's clear. Again, let's again do it, guys. So I'm rubbing it off to make it more clear for you. So I'm trying it on the other circle now, right? So I'm doing it on the other circle. So look over here. 5 into 4 is 20 minus 3 plus 6. This will give me how much? 11. This is 11. Similarly, 3 into 6 is 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Yes, this is 9. Similarly, 4 plus 3, 7. 4 into 3 is 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 5 into 2 is 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. I hope it's okay. So I need to find out this question mark. Now how will I do it? So 5 into 5 is 25. 25 minus 11 is 25 minus, sorry. So 25 minus 3 minus x should be equal to 15, isn't it? 5 into 5 is 25. 25 minus 3 minus x should be equal to 15. So that makes it how much? So that makes it 3 plus x is equal to 10. 10 x is equal to 6. So 6 is the, I hope I'm doing it correct, right? 5 into 5 is 25. 25 minus 3 minus x will be equal to 15. So 3 plus x, x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. The correct answer is 7. मेरे ख्याल से सबको समझ में आ रहा है. Which number replaces the question mark? Okay, in the second one. So what is happening over here, if you look carefully, you need to be very careful with these type of questions. We are moving to the difficult questions now. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. And the difference of 9 and 3 is 6. Similarly, 6 plus 1 is 7. And the difference of 6 and 1 is 5. 2 plus 17 is 19. And 17 minus 19 is 15. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So what about this one, guys? So 1 minus 0 will give me 1. 1 plus 0, it is already 1. Hence it is correct. Okay, guys. So what about the next one? Okay, let me clear it first. So let's do the third one. So which number replaces this? So if you add all these three numbers, that is 9 plus 6 plus 6, that is 21. Is nothing but the product of 7 and 3, which is 21. Similarly, 13 plus x plus 6 is 19 plus x, which is nothing but the product of 6 and 4, which is 24. Hence, x is equal to 5. I hope it's okay, guys. Right? This case, question number one, which is actually a difficult one. So it's difficult to explain also. So actually, this is nothing but digits from 1 to 9 are written over here, and also over here 1 to 9 are written. So it's a two overlapping diamonds. In actual sense, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You must be doubtful about these, but I will answer this a little later on. And the second diamond that you can see is 3, 6, 9, 8, 7. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when you will merge these two diamonds, what will happen? These will be added. So 5 will be added to 1 to give you this number 6. Similarly, 6 will be added to this 2 to give you this number 8. 8 will be added to this 4 to give you this number 12. And 9 will be added to this 5 to give you this number 40. Hence, the answer is 12. This one was a difficult one, guys. Okay. And the second one should not be that easy, I believe. Should not be that difficult. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. And I can see 17 is over here. So let me check once again if I'm doing it correct. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 and 19 is 25. 25, I can see it over here. So similarly, I will try this first. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So I'm absolutely correct. So the sum of these four will be over here in this number, that is 14. So 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus x is equal to 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So x should be equal to 1. The correct answer is 1. Let's move to the third one. Third one also, if you look, you need to look very careful in this. This is an easy question. If you divide this vertically into two parts, now you can see this is 10 square, 11 square, 12, 13 square, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The correct answer is 441, which is, so which number will replace the question mark? Answer is 1. I hope it's okay, guys. Okay, so I'm going to the next set of problems. Okay. So these ones are not as difficult as the last ones were. So if you look at this, 2 plus 11 plus 6, 2 plus 11 plus 6 is how much? 19. Similarly, 6 plus 9 plus 4 is 19. Similarly, 2 plus 6 plus 1 will become 19. And 1 plus 4 plus 14 will also become 19. So the correct answer is 1. Second one seems to be much easier. 6 plus 7, 13. 7 plus 2, 9. 13 plus 9, 22. 22, which is nothing but 17 plus 5. So 13 plus 4 is 17. 4 plus 1 is 5. The correct answer is 1. Okay. Next one is 3 plus 1. So what is happening in this? If you look, no, 3 plus 1 is not happening. 3 plus 1 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 1 plus 5 is 8 plus 2, 10. 3 plus 1 plus 2, 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 1 plus 2 is 9 plus 5, 14. So this should be 16. So 8 plus 4 plus 4 will give me the answer. So answer for this question mark is 4. Is this okay, guys? So let's move to the next set. So in this case, what is happening? The first one is, if you look carefully, 2 plus 3 plus 7 is 12, which is written in the one figure, which is on the clockwise direction. Similarly, 8 plus 1 plus 0 is 9. Similarly, 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 is how much? 11, which is written over here. So everything is written in the circular form. Correct, guys? So let's do the next one. Question number 2. So this is what? This is also to be very careful. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36. These numbers are nothing but the squares of each of these perfect squares are being multiplied with 2. The correct answer is 72. 1 square, 1 into 2 is 2, 4, 2 square, 4 into 2, 8, 6 square, 36 by 2, 36 into 2 is equal to 72. So now the next one, if you multiply each number by 2 and subtract 4, so 6 into 2, 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Similarly, 8 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 12. 12 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 20. 20 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 36. 36 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 68. Correct answer is 68. Okay. So let's move to the next one. So what is happening over here is, if you start thinking, so if you move clockwise, then you add the first two numbers, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 minus 3 will give you 6, which is your number. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 minus 3 will give you the number. 6 plus 8, 14, minus 3, 11. 8 plus 11, 19, minus 3, 16. 11 plus 16 is 27, minus 3. The answer is 24. I hope it should be okay. Now, in the second one, what is happening is, so if you look at this, 9 plus 3 plus 4 is 16. This is a difficult one. 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. Similarly, 6 plus 3 plus 0 is 9. And 5 plus 8 plus 5 is 18. 7 plus 6 plus 3 is 16. 2 plus 5 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 2 plus 8 is 16. 3 plus 2 plus x should be equal to 8. So x is equal to 3. The correct answer is 3. In this one, what is happening is, if you start looking from the left side, this is 4 plus 3 plus 9. If you add them up, this will become 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Similarly, 6 plus 3 plus 3 is 12 by 2 is 6. 6 plus 5 plus 9 is 20. 20 by 2 is, 6 plus 5 is 11. Correct? Yeah. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. 20 by 2 is 10. So the correct answer is 10 in this particular case. Is this okay, guys? Correct? Just a moment. Okay. So let's move to the next one. Question number 50. So this will complete our sheet 1. So we'll stop over here. This is our question number 50, guys. Okay. So question number 50. So which number replaces the question mark? So this is simple. This is 11 square. This is 12 square. And this is 13 square is 169. Okay, guys. So that's it for today, guys. Or we can solve the leftover two questions also. Don't worry. So let's talk about this one as well. So what is happening in this question? So odd one out. Everything is a multiple of 12 except 42. And in the second one, everything is a multiple of 3 except 52. Correct? So 42 and 52 are the odd one out. Which number replaces the question mark over here? So in this question, what is happening? Add together the left and the right hand numbers and then add 2 to the central value. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 2 9. 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 is 7 and 4 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 2 should be equal to 11. So x is equal to 5. Correct answer is 5 for this one. Okay, guys. Thank you.